Hello everyone. Welcome you all for the Startup Stories series. My name is Guna. I'm a startup coach and the author of the book Startup Recipe. In this Startup Stories, I am bringing you a lot of inspiring stories of various entrepreneurs, how they become an entrepreneur and how they are successful today. I'm going to bring you a lot of people, and today in this episode, we have a special person, one of my very good friend called Sendil, and people fondly call him Honey Sendil. And welcome Senthil for the show.
Yeah, thank you, Guna.
So Senthil is a civil contractor by profession. So he worked in that industry for many years as an employee, and then he started his entrepreneurship. He has completed more than 50 plus projects today, and he is a sensation for a lot of followers in YouTube. He has got 1,20,000 plus followers in YouTube, and he is not only executing projects today, he is also training civil engineers on how they can become a super duper entrepreneurs in the civil engineering field in the name called force, that is for ce for force, that is for civil engineers. That's the training he has started recently. So he has got a lot of information to share with us today. Let's listen to his inspiring story. Senthil, can you share like how you became an entrepreneur? What made you to think, okay, I should become an entrepreneur. From now on, I should not work for anyone. I should become an entrepreneur. When did you decide that? How was that transformation?
Okay. Yes, Guna. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak to your community. See, this entrepreneurship is always a risk thing that's been seen by the community and everyone around, actually. Myself, I am the first generation entrepreneur. In my family, it was I would say I am the first professional graduate,
So
the
none
first
of your
civil.
family members were ever into business, is it?
Yes. My
Okay,
father was a teacher then,
okay,
so there is always a doubt inside.
okay,
So if some people around you are not supporting 100%, that doubt factor always catch you.
correct,
Even then, I always feel that I want to start my own. I want to try everything on my own. How best I can do if I do this. That I mean, that was my inspiring thing from my very old days, I would say. Then, in fact, I completed my engineering by 2009.
okay.
Sorry, 99, 95, 99, 99 I completed.
I thought
Then
2009, then
okay, fine. See, then I started working with the architect in Trichy.
okay,
Then I moved to Chennai and worked for an big, promoters in Chennai. Then
okay,
later I got an opportunity to work with Larsen & Toubro L&T in Hyderabad.
okay,
So I got varied experiences from different level and domain of
super,
professional offices. So I thought I can pull this.
okay.
I have everything in my bag so that I can
Got that
start. I can
confidence
do
after this experience. Okay,
absolutely, Guna. Yeah, see, that clarity always gives us conviction. Do something,
correct.
but whether the clarity is blind or is bright, we will get to know that only at the later point of time. That is my real experience. But at the same time, when we got something like, okay, we can try this. Let us do this. If that intention is just catching up, we must get into the action. That is I always believe in. When I quit L&T, I was drawing around some 40K, I believe,
Okay,
including all. I was newly married then.
that's a
My
big
wife
that's a big
yeah, I couldn't give my wife a thought about what he can do and all. Actually, it was very initial stage. I started this. I jumped into this entrepreneurship, actually.
okay.
When if someone is starting his business, it is always referred as someone jump into
Correct,
entrepreneurship. It,
correct,
it is always like that only. See, we don't know what is there. We
correct.
only have that vision of us,
A dream,
how
dream.
we are. Yeah, a dream, absolutely. How we are going to help people around, how we are going to do things on our own. We have everything needed to do business. Okay, I know how to do this thing, that thing, all technical stuff we know. So it is better to start our own. That was that instinct. that I mean inborn thing I would say,
Okay.
that I mean my one of my friends used to say me, Sendil, I referred to you to two things. One is joy, another one is risk. Then only I could relate. Yeah, she was right.
Okay.
Okay, I have that courage always to have to try something else, to try something, whether it is risk or not. It is being seen by others. How you believe with that guna
Yes.
actually? It
Just
is
just
not about us.
take that first step.
Yeah, it is what your inner call. You just follow. That's it.
Super.
So that is how I getting into that.
But after you start, because usually when we start entrepreneurship, no, there will always be some challenges which we may not expect because we are new to the entrepreneurship and suddenly we get some challenges. So every entrepreneur will have some challenges. So what are the initial challenges you faced when you started entrepreneurship? When you started your own civil contracting?
Yeah. See, it is not a small thing. It was bigger thing await for me. That was the economic crisis in 2008. The whole world was crying then.
Correct.
I don't know which trap I am in.
So bad
It
time to
is a
start.
bigger one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It start with big bang. I don't know what to do actually. See, initially what we have done as three people, we initially started as a building promoters actually. We want to try into that segment. I coupled around my friends and we started our own company.
Okay.
Then this thing was there. We didn't expect. We thought it was a light, but it is a light at the end of the tunnel of the opposite train which is facing me. That is, I would say, like, see, after that it is not at all easy actually. It is always you have to take the ball, take the arrow in your chest.
Correct.
No other go. You have to take that. Anyhow, since you are a risk taking person, you will always absorb things, you will accept things. That is my key quality, I would say. I If something positive or negative, whatever happens to me, number one thing I do is I accept that and move on, whatever happens.
Everything.
So
Okay.
okay, this has happened, okay, I need to move on. But whether I am going up or going down, I don't know.
Okay.
There was no clue. Every money I got from my father, every jewel of my wife, just keep on going to
So you didn't add
see.
anybody to guide you whether you are going in the right direction or not, what you should do, what you should not do. There was no one to guide you, is it?
I didn't seek any.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is what I would say actually.
Okay.
I thought I can pull this. I can do this.
Okay.
That I factor was that. I
Okay.
thought that is my confidence. But
Okay.
then, at the face of, I mean, these stuff, it went around some 7 to 8 years actually.
Okay.
My partners ditched me. Then I tried with another partner. That's also went away. Then I started to try on my own. Okay.
Okay.
Eli valai anala tani valai. So I want to do
Okay.
on my own actually. So
Super.
then even then also things are not in drag. Why?
Okay.
I don't know. I don't have the clue then.
Okay.
See, we are doing right. This industry is always seen as a taboo. Like, I mean, people will exploit others, people will cheat. if
Correct.
if someone is building construction for someone else, everyone think, okay, here he's going to cheat me.
Correct.
That glass was there in the society.
Correct.
So I don't know, we are doing good. I'm doing I'm
Getting
a
some
honest
trust
person.
from someone is not so easy because so many value factors are involved in this. No, that's why.
Yes, yes, yes. See, we are very unique, and I am delivering good product in a high quality, and I am honest.
Okay.
Why I couldn't come up?
Okay.
That question was always, I mean, coming up in my mind. But
Okay.
one good thing, what I've been doing all those days, one
Okay.
good thing I would say, I used to visit any other possible opportunity to learn. I used to visit some seminar. I used to go to seminars, this speech, that speech,
Oh.
and I follow a lot of people in
So
online.
you are a continuous learner all the time.
Yeah, 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 absolutely.
Okay.
I started to listening to Gary Vee even in 2016. I was 16, 17. I
Okay.
started
Okay.
listening to Gary Vee and Rajiv Talreja. Even I attended his space program. Actually, I started. I mean, following him even before that.
First batch itself.
So
Okay.
all, yeah, yeah. In fact, I would say two things strike me actually.
Yeah.
Two sentences made my business life into an take to another horizon, I would say. The
Super.
number one is, if you want to become a billionaire, go and serve billion people. Someone said that actually. We have been seeing that sentence every now and then actually.
Correct.
Every one of us are. Okay, I want to become a millionaire, so I need to serve billion people. Okay, that is one. The another one, the shortest way to reach your goal is only by using your strength. Okay, what is my strength? With which of my strength I can help billion people so that I can become a billionaire.
Okay.
So these two are the very, helpful keys for me, Guna, actually.
Okay.
My skill, what I thought was I can speak to people. I was, in every elocution, I go and win competition, every other thing from my school and college.
Okay.
So I just want to try that, and to reach billion people, where could I go other than social media? I started my YouTube channel then. That inborn quality of speaking to people, make them understand any harder technical subject. I just started doing that like religiously, I would say. For 1 year I could get only less than 1,000 subscribers. In 2017 and I had only 900 plus subscribers only. If you are
So
doing
you have
something,
crossed 1,20,000 now. So what's the exact number? How many subscribers you have for your YouTube channel now?
now it is 1,20,900 and odd.
Wow, amazing, amazing.
See, by 2017 and it is only 900 plus.
Okay.
See, people won't come to you. Where is Sendil? Come. I
Okay.
want to listen to you. No, nobody will come to you.
Correct.
You have to give without expecting anything.
Okay.
Whatever goes in always comes back.
Correct.
I have a great belief in that after this actually.
Okay.
Those two factors define my business. Now I am easily getting, many number of leads from my YouTube channel alone.
Super. So
So
nowadays,
the only
getting
thing,
clients to
yeah,
is not at all a tough thing. It has become the easy thing to generate new leads, new customers, right?
absolutely. Yeah,
So good that you had a lot of challenges, but you learned continuously and you overcome that. And do you regret, okay, these were the mistakes which I did in my past, I could have avoided that, or any mistakes which you recollect that these are the mistakes in my initial business days which I was doing, so that it will help others so that they can restrict themselves from doing, because most of them watching this video will be aspiring entrepreneurs, so they will definitely have a lot of takeaways from your story. That's why.
sure. Yes, Guna, I want to give three specific mistakes what I have committed actually. Number one, I thought I can do everything on my own.
Okay.
This, I don't know where it comes actually.
Okay.
I thought I can do everything on my own.
Okay.
Please, I request all of you guys, business is not a simple thing actually. You cannot do everything on your own. You have to get people work on your vision. Then only your business can grow. This is number one thing. Number two, I thought I worked in different sectors, different type of working places. I thought I can pull this as a business. Later, I realized that it is only operational skill, execution skill, where I've been put into.
So it is just
But
one
business skill,
department of the business from what you got experience so far. There are many other
absolutely,
departments. Okay. Okay.
absolutely, Guna. Actually, in Sarikamappa, I learned only Ga. It doesn't mean that I learned the entire stuff. So it is very similar to that. But when seeing a business from outside, we used to see only that what is going on, that execution part only we see. Before that, you have to pull people inside your business,
Okay.
then sell them your product or services. Then only you work on this thing. That
Okay.
almost with your loved one care, I would say, that customer care. That
Okay.
is, that makes your business wholesome.
Okay.
So knowing only about this thing, it is not going to help you. With
Okay.
your experience inside, you can get only a specific skill. I got only operation skill. That
Okay.
is not business skill.
Okay.
That is one. Then last skill, I didn't learn the science of business.
Okay.
Business is a science, I would say. I
Okay.
didn't learn it. There was no one there behind me to send, will go and learn there, go and learn this.
Okay.
Now we have a lot of people like you for I mean emerging entrepreneurs to study these, so that you get to know about this, so that your entrepreneurship journey will be better.
Correct.
I have been no clue actually. I was very much closed my eyes actually.
Okay.
So
Okay.
these three things I would recommend people don't do. Repeat this mistake. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. All mistakes people have done. Me, I have done. Don't do these mistakes. Do different mistakes.
So don't think that you can do everything or by yourself. And
Yeah,
just by getting one department knowledge, you can't do the entire business. You have to learn about all the departments. And third is take
absolutely,
the help of people, help of coaches, so that you learn and you go in the right direction. Take others' help. So these are the three
100%.
mistakes which you
Excellent.
want others to avoid. Super. That's I think that's a great value for all the viewers who are going to watch this video. So super. And as I told you, there are a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start a business. They have fear. They are not clear with their idea. They want to start, but they are hesitant to start, etc. So, what will be your advice for all these aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start business in this era right now, and they want to become successful in, as an entrepreneur in their career?
Yeah. Number one thing, see, it is not advice actually. I'm giving them a suggestion.
Yeah,
Uh, I'm also in the race. So the number one thing is keep learning and keep on learning. That is very core thing. There is no such point in your life that you learned everything. At least everything inside your business also.
correct,
So you need to enrich yourself with knowledge that gives you a better version of you. So you are Guna, you are not the same person as yesterday now. Actually,
right,
you have learned something today.
exactly,
Similarly, day by day, we are growing, not only physically, but intellectually also, we must grow.
correct,
When that will happen? If we are open for learning, only that will happen. Open for learning, not only from people, you learn from books, get some courses. I mean, yesterday I signed up for a WhatsApp course with someone. See, there are a lot of opportunities around us to learn today, actually. Today, this learning is being transformed into different areas. We can get into any course. We can learn at our own time. There is
correct.
no such time limitations. It is a great opportunity for every one of us to learn. So never come out of that learning zone. Don't be at comfort zone. At okay, I'm okay. I'll do with this. My business will grow.
Okay,
No such day is there actually. You must keep on learning. That is number one. Number two, have the courage to take risk. Not only the day one you pick that entrepreneurship hat, that is not I mean the activity of day one till the last day. You must have that courage to take risk day by day by day.
correct.
See, we have been seeing the history, how big I mean brands are nothing today. How big, how small brands are getting
And
into
it applies to
different
others
levels.
people also, because you had a lot of struggles and now you are successful and you started training other civil engineers. That applies to
Yeah,
you.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. See, I mean, we should not make ourselves okay. This is fine. We should not get into that comfort zone. Must do that. Then other thing in this era, since you specifically mentioned, it is very key skill I would say actually. You must take your cell phone. You must ready to record every other thing in your phone and put it on social media. I would say this is very key skill, which is not been given to the previous generation. Now, every one of your target audience are inside this phone waiting for your content.
Correct.
You must, it is very key skill. You spend any amount of money, learn this. If you're shy away, I don't do this, this is not my game. No, this is your game. You
That's
have to
part of
practice
business.
this.
If you are in business,
Exactly.
you should promote your products online.
Yes.
You are the brand ambassador. That's the way today
Correct.
it needs to be done. Yes.
There is no more logos of companies are prominent today. This is
Correct.
faces of companies are coming.
Correct.
L&T logo, those logos are the past game
Correct.
actually. Now it is the face of the company. Honey Senthil, I am the face of my brand.
Correct.
Like how Guna is. Similarly, you have to come out with a key skill, a key skill of putting your videos.
Correct.
This is not a, it's not a rocket science, I would say. This is very
Definitely.
easy.
That is
You start today, very simple thing. Whatever you are doing in your business, you just convey to your customer upfront. I would say the very, very interesting key benefit of doing these videos is I am facing that each and every day. I don't need to negotiate with my clients.
correct.
I don't necessarily need to convince my client that, sir, we can do this, we can do. Sendil, we know you. Sendil, we've been following you for a couple of years. I know what you are doing. See, that is, if, it's a blessing, I would say.
Correct. They already
What
know the
else?
value and
Yeah,
they have to pay for that quality.
absolutely. You are speaking to your target audience, the vital thing upfront, and you are making them ready.
Correct.
When they're coming inside, you need to just listen to their problem and give them the effective solution. That's it. It's done. What else you need?
So also,
Definitely, I recommend. Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Proceed.
please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, this is the very, very important key skill I'm recommending for every new entrepreneur. You
Okay.
must take out your phone, record whatever the message of your business to the community. Let them engage with that. Let them come to you. Your business is in your hold. You can do that.
Super.
Yeah.
So also, simple like how I am coaching aspiring entrepreneurs to start their own business. You're helping civil engineers to start their
Yep.
own entrepreneurship and how to shine in that entrepreneurship career as a civil contractor, as a civil engineer. You're doing a lot of trainings in Tiruchi and Chennai, and I heard you are doing a lot of things online also. If any of them who's watching this video want to get into your coaching or want to follow you and understand more about it, how do they follow you? So, which is the best channel, best way to contact you?
Yeah, they can find my LinkedIn or YouTube channel, also Facebook page.
I
They
think
can give
YouTube,
it.
YouTube is better. I
Yeah,
think because that's where they can understand more about you. With
yeah,
like
yeah.
already 1,20,000 plus people following you, you have a lot of content, rich content there. I think that is the best thing. So anybody who's watching this video, if you want to contact Honey Senthil, you have to just go search his YouTube channel. It's Honey
Not
Senthil.
on,
Just search.
not only for sorry to interrupt, Diguna. Not only for business proposals. I am here to build your house. That is my key profession. Key profession.
Correct, correct. And if you are looking for a contractor and he's the person, he can very transparent and he can exactly tell you how it can be done in the best
Yeah.
way. So finally, before we close, Senthil, do you have anything to tell to all the aspiring entrepreneurs?
Say the only one thing I just want to re-emphasize that thing. Take out your mobile phone. Talk to the world. You are here. I am coming. The world is coming to you.
Super,
Yeah.
super. Short and sweet. Thank you, Senthil, for joining for this episode of Startup Stories. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, so I hope you got super duper inspiration and you got some amazing takeaways from this episode. I will soon get back to you with another episode of Startup Stories. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Please share this video to as many people as possible so that they can get benefited. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.